Hello and welcome to the new video of Revit SM. So in this video I have a new fitting. It's kind of a T where the branch of this T, the angle is flexible. I mean, you can change the angle, and there are some lots of other features as well. So we'll go by the features one by one. So just now I'm going to drag it and connect it with my duct. So there you go. So this is the fitting. All right, so first of all is that this angle, you can just change any value of the angle. Let's say I can change it to 60 degrees, and it goes to 60 degree. You can connect the duct with this and it just connects, and also on this outlet side. All right, so this is the inlet side, this branch side, and that's the outlet side. So in case you want to change the angle, you can just delete this duct and you can change the angle to any new angle. You can go to even 30 degrees, let us say. So now the thing is that here it can go to certain minimum angle. Obviously it cannot go less than that, so that is going to be getting calculated here as theta minimum. So that's it's 27.27. All right, so you just have to keep this angle a couple of degrees more than this theta minimum. So right now it's saying 27, so I can go till 30 degrees, and it entirely depends upon the dimensions of inlet and branch and the outlet. So for instance, if I change the outlet branch to 40, right, so it's not going to work properly unless I change the angle or I change the branch side. So right now the branch width is 400, and when I make it 400, then it works properly. So here for any particular size, you're going to get the minimum outlet width also, and obviously the angle as well. So right now my branch width is 400 and this outlet width is 450, so the outlet minimum is 425, so this will work fine without any problem. So just make sure that for any particular size, your angle and your outlet width, they are whatever is being calculated here, just make sure that these your values should be higher than what is being here in the constraints, right? So in that case it would work. And obviously you can also flip the direction and connect it to on the other side. You can change the angle, you can change it to 75 degree. Now the thing is that this particular point and this particular point, they are in line always. So, and when when it takes more of the length, that also grows. But that's not it, there is something else as well that I'm going to show you. Now for instance, this is our fitting. All right, now I want to extend this outlet a little bit further. So what I can do, so this is the outlet extension. I want to extend it to by 50 millimeters, so I'll just type here 50 and it will extend. And likewise this is same for the outlet side, for the branch side. I can, if I want to extend a little bit further, that it goes beyond this, so I will extend this one as well. So there you go. So that is the fitting. So likewise I can insert it on any other duct as well. I just have to rotate it like so and grab this end and just connect it here. All right, I can go even with 90 degrees. All right, so this 90 degree, and right now the branch and extension, they have 0 value. I can change it to, let's say, 100. This goes 100, I could push back to 0, and I can make outlet extension as 100, so that works. I can change the sizes, I can change, so I can, let's say my outlet is 550. all right, so it makes just 550. And you can also change the radius of this, by the way. Radius is right now 100. I can make it, let's say, 150. Okay, it changes to 150. I can change it to 75. It goes to 75. So yeah, it has these amazing features. All right, so you can construct it the way you want, right? So this is just a new fitting. uh, just wanted to show you the features of this. Completely playful, interactive. You just change the values and the make the way you want, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice time.